When I put more stuff on there, you need to back up, okay?
Shoot. Okay. There it is. Okay. Is it okay if I burn this?
If you want to, that's fine. The paddle's right here.
Okay.
I mean, don't throw it on there right now because it'll just float up in the air and go in the neighbor's yard.
Okay. Okay, well, while I'm waiting till we can burn it. God dang it, freaking Casper. Corona. This is, okay, ignore her name being Corona. Thanks. Well, screw you too, Casper. Okay. So, yeah. So, why not? So, since it's the festive holidays, why not draw like a tree? Not with this hand, of course. This hand is my stupid hand. I cannot draw anything besides from, poorly written words. And... okay, sorry, I had to pause it because it took too long. Also, Corona, can you stop licking my pants for one goddamn second, please? I love you and all, but yeah, I don't like you licking my pants. Please focus, thank you. Such a nice and lovely tree.
Hurry, go. Okay, now back up.
They say let it go. So I did just that. Burn. Burn!
Let it go. Let it go. Up in the ashes, let it flow.
I like how all of it... oh, I know! Okay, so... that may or may not be dust.
It has to catch on the flames. You just have to give it a second.
Okay. Also ignore the dogs. Yes. Also, you can tell that it's burning a bit. In this sightful festive year, why is the smoke attacking me?
Now it's burning the poster.
So this may or may not have been a bad idea, but it's not a good one.
There it goes.
Yes. Yes, burn. Oh, that's a lot of smoke.
Now the poster's burning, huh?
Well, let it go.
The poster's burning up, huh, Caleb?
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
More
Just
often.
Nico, do you want to work for me? What you need to do is grab this and then rip out like about 4 or 5 pages.
And so,
like this. See how I'm doing it?
and so, guys,
do the whole thing at once, do a little piece,
Merry
and then
Christmas
fold it up like this,
and a happy New
throw
Year's.
it in there.
Because I'm not gonna upload anything for at least like probably another month.
If you want to help. If not, I'll do it.
Yeah,
But otherwise, yeah, I hate Frozen. That's just it. Okay, yeah, so this is me after editing this. I'm probably gonna upload several videos. I don't give a crap. I'm just gonna exist when I want to, you know, materialize. Just a casual pop in out of existence. I mean, wait, help the void.